Okay guys, check it out. Just got these off Amazon, 34 bucks. Got a new gun, awesome foam cannon, love the color. And even came with an extra attachment if your nozzle doesn't fit, if you need to make it smaller. And then it came with different attachments for the fan on the tip. Yellow is my favorite. It's not super wide, it's not super narrow, but you still get good pressure. The soap that we're going to show you today is Detail Studio Products Super Foam. Amazing stuff. You only need a couple ounces. The foam cannon itself, you can adjust how much foam you want. I always have it to the max. And then you can adjust this. You can either have it shoot straight or have it super fan. And it came with all the attachments already ready to go. Just plug and play. 1, 2, 3 ounces. So the trigger, super easy to spray. Show you what it does. Okay, got that on. Suds all the way off. Now it's just water pretty much coming out, a little bit of soap. Turn it all the way up. And then adjust the fan straight, 180. Pretty awesome, 34 bucks.